write down, create a new vendor master, T code FK, same T code FK01. Directly I'm coming with T code. Okay, give our company code LI01 and give account group LSVS I'm giving, which is Dilip Services Vendors. Okay, then click enter. Then title company and name we
Bro, FK03, understand?
FK01. Create vendor master.
Okay.
FK01 create vendor master. And after that, company give company code and vendor account group LSVS, which is services. Okay, and then click enter. Okay, then here title company, then name Tripura Services Private Limited, Tripura Services Private Limited. Okay, then address, I'm simply giving the address only. This one. Okay, this address I have given, and then click enter. Click enter. Again enter. Enter. Three to four times enter. Then we will come to this accounting information. This screen, accounting information screen. Here we will give reconciliation account 150,200 reconciliation account.
So, is that fields are not mandatory to fill?
No, this is mandatory, which is
नहीं नहीं, not this. Previous enter दबा के आए थे ना हम लोग ये
yeah,
स्क्रीन
yeah.
पे.
So those fields are not mandatory. Those means
हाँ.
screens are not mandatory. Only in this screen, in this option, this whichever tick is there, so these fields are mandatory. Sort key and cash management is mandatory. Suppose if we want to fill the bank details of the vendor, then we skip that screen, right? So that is not required. That is why I'm not giving. See here we give the bank details of the vendor, real bank details of the vendor, right? When we want to pay through, with the bank transfer we want to do that time. Okay, but now we want to do TDS, so that's why I'm skipping those that screen. But that is not mandatory.
Okay.
Okay, so here
Okay.
please give reconciliation account, sort key, and cash management group. These three things. Okay, and after that click enter. Next screen, payment terms L001, credit memo terms L001, payment method CT, means check and bank transfer. I'm giving these two, and then again click on enter. Click on enter.
This is next page, huh? Next screen.
Okay, and then see this now this details we want to fill in the vendor master also, because we want to in this particular
Bro,
screen
one show payment terms.
payment terms was L001 immediately new.
No, one show that screen.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so actually this one I need to give IN, otherwise it is not allowing me to go back. Yeah, so only three details I have given: payment terms, credit memo terms, and payment method.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, then in TDS, this is screen, withholding tax accounting screen. Here give withholding tax country IN, withholding tax country IN, okay, withholding tax type below L1, okay, and here withholding tax code CI, CI is 2%, okay, liable, and then it is recipient times company. This we have defined, right? Okay. And
Reception. Reception. Recipient account.
L1. See, this kind of error also can come in the real time. So again, I need to execute this one.
Why? Why? What is error?
This is ABAP error, technical error. So maybe system, like system has got, means that is a technical issue. We are functional, so we need to consult our ABAPer if this kind of issue will come in the time. So for this,
Runtime program. क्या हो?
yeah, ABAP, see ABAP programming error,
Mm-hmm.
entry IN. So this is current ABAP program. This is the program has terminated. Maybe due to large data, huge data, it can happen. Sometimes if huge data is coming, then we can get this error. So Tripura, now again I'm giving the same details. Tripura services. Okay. TSPL. IN 36. Okay. The same I'm doing. 150200. Payment terms. Payment method. Same. Now done here. Give withholding tax country IN. Withholding tax type L1. Withholding tax code CI is same. Okay. This is coming. This is CO only. Recipient types. So we have defined CO in CO. Recipient types we have defined company and other. Two recipient
Yes.
type we have defined. Again, it is coming. So this one means we cannot solve. We can solve if we are generally we are functional consultant. So
Uh-huh.
if error ABAPer, we need to take help from ABAPer. So we cannot solve this one. If we have knowledge from ABAP side also we can do, but generally functional consultant can't do this. Cannot solve this one. So again, this one is coming.
Then how to proceed further now?
Then we cannot proceed now. Then if we are not able to create the vendor, and that is required, right, to post uh, withholding TDS, to post TDS, we need to assign this uh, withholding tax type and tax code to the vendor.
Mm-hmm.
So without that, we cannot proceed. But let me try. I will do something, no problem.
C2 అంటే కనెక్షన్
Transfer.
C అంటే క్యాన్సిల్ T అంటే బ్యాంక్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ సో
One minute, sir, please, sir.
Sometimes after posting also later.
One
yeah
second. Okay. Sometime what happens? I don't know. Means if the data is used, if system is taking more time, so that time this error can come. So we should try 3 4 times. Okay, by our own. If still error is coming, then we should contact. Let's suppose in real time this error had come. Let's suppose. So same way I will try 3 4 times. Okay, and if still that error is coming again and again, then I will take the screenshot of that error, and we will send that error to our ABAP consultant and seeking help like this. I'm doing this activity and I'm creating the vendor and I'm getting this error. Okay, so please help to resolve this thing. Okay. So generally this user will get issue, user will raise an incident, user will come to us, and then if it is a technical help is required, then we will inform to our developer, we will take help from them, and then we will do the testing, and then we will inform to the user this is resolved like that. So this is the way uh, we will uh, if you will get this kind of error, this is the way to work on that. Okay, so now you guys have written withholding text type
yeah
L1 withholding text code. Okay, let me open this screen. FK02 is changed. FK03 is uh,
View display.
display. So FK03, let me go, and that
20 last.
it is used right now. So let's suppose vendor by
office interview
description description. Okay, by company code also, but Tripura not Tripura. No problem. We can go by company code also. So Tripura. This one
last
we will
second
yeah. This one we will take, and we want to just you guys have we were here only right with open tags. So yeah, you please write down this detail.
for L2 you have not given the reason.
For L2, yeah, I have not given. Uh, this one actually I want to take. So this one just I have given this L2, but I want L1 to work. Just I have just given this one, but I want L1 to work for this one. Means on invoice posting. Okay. Okay. So now we will create one more vendor. We will create one more vendor, or let me FK02. Let me give here this one also, no problem. whichever is required, we will take that one. Okay, so yeah, you can please write down.
Okay.
Okay, so like this write down, and then we will do one more vendor will create. So we will create one more vendor. So I have given, and I have given all the text codes. Okay, so
Liable tick mark on it.
liability, yeah, tick mark is important. It is liable for withholding tax. It is the meaning of that. Means it is liable for withholding tax. Okay, so we'll create one more vendor. Give heading. Create one more vendor. Create one more vendor. Okay, same T code FK01, FK01. Okay, same company code and account group. Give company code and account group same. Company code LS01, account group LSVS. Okay,
Hmm.
and then enter. Then give company domain brothers, company. VC. Here give any details, address details. Okay, give location. Same, three times enter, and then come to reconciliation. This is screen, accounting information screen. Here we will give account reconciliation account. Okay, and then cash management group. Three things we will give here. Okay, in the accounting information. Then click on, again we'll go to next screen. Okay, here payment terms same L001, credit memo terms L001, payment method CT, and click enter. Okay, dunning in for customers we give dunning procedure, right? For vendor we don't give. So we need this uh for TDS
Withholding.
we need this one. Yeah, so here give L3 1%, L4 1%, L3. This is other OT, other L3 again, L4. Okay, so now 62 ending 21 it is created. Okay, so now master data we have created. Now please give next heading, vendor advance payment with TDS. Give next heading, vendor advance payment with TDS.
That's
Okay, give next heading, vendor advance payment with TDS. Okay, so same the way we used to do vendor advance payment, here the same process we will use, but here what should be calculated? TDS should be calculated. Okay, because we have configurations are done, and in the vendor master that withholding tax, this one withholding tax code and tax type, right? Both are assigned. Okay, and that vendor is now liable for the withholding tax, so that it should work now. Okay, so in day-to-day activity, I have explained you guys. See, TDS is calculated at the time of advance posting, invoice posting, and transfer posting. So right now we are doing advance posting, then TDS should be calculated. Okay, so so here in F-48 I have come. Now I will give document date. today's date, posting date, today's date. Okay,
What is peacock?
F
and
dash
P code
48.
is F-48. Okay, then we have come here and give document date, posting date, a reference. Okay, and give vendor. Here I am giving Tripura vendor. Here I am giving Tripura vendor, which has the withholding tax code and withholding tax type. Tripura vendor. Okay, special GL indicator A, down payment. Here, what I will select this time? Earlier I used to select 240, right? You guys remember cash account.
Mm.
Now since I
Cash
have
account.
outgoing account, yes, bank outgoing account, so I will select this. So let's suppose 40,000 is the advance we are paying to the vendor. Okay, so please give these details. Uh, vendor, vendor account number, which is Tripura vendor, special GL indicator A, bank account, this below bank option, account, which is from HDFC outgoing account. I'm giving 241001, amount 40,000, value date, and text time I have given. Okay, after that, after that, click on, click enter, click enter. Okay, and here in amount either you can type 40,000 or you can give star. Okay, so we have section code, right? Section code, give section code, Telangana section code TS01, which we have created. Due date I will give today's date only, 18th. Okay, profit center, give 1000 profit center. Okay, so this detail please give amount star or 40,000, due date today's date. Okay, and in section code TS01. Okay, and profit center 1000. Okay,
Okay.
business area I missed. Please give business area also, LHYD. Give business area also, LHYD, and then click enter. Now please see the screen. So CP we have already given, right? So all this small screen opened, so it is showing the details. This is withholding tax type. This is withholding tax code CP. Okay, which is 2%, right? So this is assigned. So click on continue. Then click on continue. Click on continue. Now you can see one payment block option has come. Okay, it is blocked
Mm.
for payment. Why it is blocked for payment? So we will see why it is blocked. So let's simulate, document simulate. Now see it is coming, right, 2%.
Yes.
TDS GL is triggered. So it is like, but I have shown you guys that it is blocked. It will posting will not be done. So I'm just saving. Now a new error. Please write down this error also. PAN not available. PAN not available.
Mm.
This is the error message number. So for this, we need to go to resolve this error. Please write down this error. PAN number not available. PAN number not available. This is the error. So we will, so go to change vendor. Same Tripura change vendor. Go to FK02. Write down. Go to change vendor. 20. Okay, and then select address. Lastly, go to same Tripura vendor and in general data, select address checkbox. Below general data, select address checkbox.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then click enter. Okay, so here click on CIN details. See this CIN details header. Click on CIN details. Okay, and here
And
click on CIN details. Here you can see the screen also. Okay, and here select go to withholding tax
Go
tab.
to tax.
And here update the PAN number of the vendor. This is 13 digit. This is 13 digit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
AADB 9J
R A yes A A N
D
C
Shindu.
Martin AANC 5. It is 12 digit only. 12 digit only. Okay. And in payment reference, give company and PAN valid from 01 0104 2024. Okay. PAN valid from 0104 2024. Okay. PAN
Okay.
number give this one. And after that, after giving these three details, click on back button, click on back button and save. Save. Okay. Now,
So,
hmm,
is there any mass updation option available to suppose if in case in real time,
hmm,
if we get this error for in real time, there will be some 100 plus vendors, right?
yes.
So to update 100 plus vendors at a time, will be there any mass updation,
I have told
mass
you,
change?
yeah, mass
नहीं
change
तो
मतलब
individually करना पड़ेगा.
I have told you guys mass change. You guys remember XK99? Remember? I have shown you guys also this one. See, mass maintenance vendor.
Ah, okay, okay. Inside we will get again one line item. Got it,
See,
got it.
yeah. Okay, but to update this one, I have not tried this one. So you can search this one. But to update like mass change, we can do like that only with this one. But CIN details that I have not tried with mass change, but it should work that also. But we have this one for mass change. I have shown you guys in the previous class. Okay, CIN details you guys try. I think it should be there. But most of the things, see everything has most of the things are there only. Okay, so now give next heading, not heading. Now we have given this CIN details. Okay, but we should activate the CIN details. So please give next one configuration we need to do for this one to activate CIN details. Write down next heading, how to activate CIN details in vendor customer master. How to activate CIN details in vendor customer master. Okay, this is configuration.
in customer vendor.
Vendor. Not, but that is you can write down the vendor only. No problem. Okay. How to activate CIN details in vendor master. Write down the path SPRO. SP SPRO, then Logistic General, SPRO Logistic General. Okay, after that tax on goods movement, after that tax on goods movement, then India.
Logistics general is one and same
Yeah,
or
yeah.
different?
Logistics general different, right? Logistics theme. This is logistics team. Okay, this is not finance team. Okay.
No, after SPRO, logistics and
Uh,
general or
no,
logistics general.
same only. See, please see this. It's in same line, or actually
Okay.
it is both are there. Logistic dash general it is same line.
Okay.
After
Okay.
SPRO, logistic general same line, and then next, tax on goods movement, tax on goods movement, tax on goods movement. After that, after that India, after that India, after India master data, after India master data, and after master data, assign users to maintain master screen sequence for excise duty. Assign users to assign users to material master screen sequence for excise duty. This one. Okay. India, after that master data, after that this one. Assign users to material master screen sequence for excise duty. Okay. So double click on this. Double click on this one. Double click on screen sequence. Double click on screen sequence. Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. Double click on this one, user screen reference, not sequence, sorry. We have come to this screen. Okay. So please write down after that. Double click on user screen reference. Double click on user screen reference. Okay. And the name of the user is SAP user, right? Which is our ID in IDS system. SAP user. This is our user, right? So here we need to give star. We need to give star. Okay. But in real time, whichever the user will be there, so in that corresponding system, let's suppose we are doing this one in development system, in let's suppose in a sandbox system. So in sandbox system, if we are doing this one, so we will give our username, okay, in development sandbox system, and then we will give this as a star, okay, and then save this one. So data is already, it was already there, but if for in our case, it like in real time, it will not be already there. We need to do this one. Okay. So in SAP user, assign star. So this one is done. This one is done. So now again come to FK02 screen and assign PAN number to Bowman. That okay. So now for Tripura we have assigned, right? So now write down, go to FK02 to assign PAN number. Same way we will assign the PAN number for this another vendor, Bowman vendor.
त्रिपुरा we didn't do ना, उसको ही एरर आ रहे थे ना।
No, but PAN number we assign.
कब? अभी तो एक्टिवेट करे ना।
But रुको I will show
While
you.
posting not done, right?
Posting not done,
We are,
but
we are
I'm
in,
updating for this one also right now only. Posting not done, but I'm just updating for this one also.
already look posting.
But no problem. If you guys want, then I will update this one later. Okay. So now,
This
but
is
for Tripura, we
middle.
have updated.
ओके ओके।
I can show you guys one more. See,
Now it will post. It post.
no, not posting. Actually, I want to open display vendor master. So it is not taking us to the display vendor master. No problem. uh,
Actually, we have to refresh.
refresh also. I think
Means fresh and
it will not take us. No, requesting line item it is telling. No problem. I can go by FK02. I will open a new session slash say FK02. I will go this vendor. Okay. So here, this one. Oh, and one more configuration we need to do for this one. One we have done. So starting taxation month we need to update. So that also we need to do. So first let us see whether we have updated. We have updated. See, we had come to CIN details and we have updated this one, right? In Tripura vendor.
Achha.
We
हाँ.
have done that, right? So this one in master
yes.
data we have updated the PAN number. Okay. So now I was going to do Bowman. Which can I do later? No problem. So one configuration we have done. Now please write down second configuration. Write down second configuration. Maintain this one we want to maintain. You can write down maintain company code setting. Starting taxation month we are going to maintain. Write down to maintain starting taxation month. Maintain starting taxation month is the heading. Okay, and write down the path.
Maintain.
Maintain starting taxation month.
What does this function actually mean?
Starting is which the month will be starting. In name only it is written, right? Which will be the first that no uh, taxation month. Which month will be the first month for the taxation month, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, starting taxation month. So in India, which is the starting taxation month? Tell me.
April.
Yeah, that's what. Okay, please write down the path. SPRO Logistic General. SPRO Logistic General. So that we need to define in the system because system does not know, right? In US, the starting month is January. Okay, in some countries, starting month is July. In some countries, starting month is October. Okay, so we need to system does not know. Okay, so we need to do this setting so that system will perform accordingly. Okay, so SPRO Logistic General, SPRO right on the path, SPRO Logistic General. Okay, and then tax on goods movement, SPRO Logistic General. Okay, next tax on goods movement,
Mm-hmm.
tax on goods movement, then India, then India, tax on goods movement, next India, next basic settings, next basic settings, and then after basic settings, maintain company code settings, maintain company code settings. Okay, so here maintain company code settings, click on new entries. We have come to new screen. So click on new entries,
Yeah.
click on new entries and then give company code LI01, give company code LI01, which is auxiliary company code. And first month give, uh, this is April. In the sequence, it is 4th. So that's why it is showing 4 April. Okay. Company code LI01, first month April, and then save it. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will go again. Now you can see it is still showing. We have updated PAN number. Still it was showing payment block. Again we will do this F-48. Okay. So now write down again. Go to F-48. Again go to F-48. Okay, and we will do the same process now. Same details I'm giving, you guys no need to write down, but just you guys write again, do the same, go to F-48 and do the same. Okay, so this one is 20. Very slow my system. Okay, and same this one outgoing 40K, enter, star, this one, okay, visuality, this one, okay, and after that we can simulate. So now you can write down document simulate and
Continue.
continue, document simulate and save. Okay, now advance is this one is posted, advance is posted. Okay, document simulate and save. Now we can see this one TDS payable amount. Now 800 has come. Okay, okay, now give next step 2. We have posted the TDS posting. We have done the TDS posting with advance posting with TDS we have done. Now give step 2, vendor invoice posting with TDS. Vendor invoice posting with TDS.
Vendor invoice posting.
With
with
TDS.
TDS.
Okay, so step 2 go to
MP60
FP60.
vendor account
FP60.
state
Yeah, same vendor we will take, Tripura vendor, 62 and 20.
20.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Tripura vendor. Okay, and this posting date, invoice date, give posting date and invoice date. In reference, give reference. Okay, in amount I'm giving 1 lakh, amount I'm giving 1 lakh, and in business and section code, still I'm giving Telangana business place. This section code I'm giving. Okay, and here this one you can give any text, invoice posting amount, amount posting with TDS. Okay, in GL account give, in GL account give 4,50,000. In amount give star, amount give star. Now profit center and business area, LHYD and profit center give 1,000. Okay, so after, please give these details. GL account 4 lakh
Well,
expense I have given, amount star I have given, profit center profit center 1,000, business area LHYD. So these details I have given in the line item. Okay, now click on withholding tax tab. Click on
bro,
withholding
wait
tax.
a minute.
Okay,
PC what? PC.
profit
1000.
center 1,000, business area
Business.
1,000.
Okay.
Okay, after that click
Okay.
on, write down, click on withholding tax tab. Click on withholding tax tab. Okay, Now you can see this screen is opened. This message will come. Write down this message because we have done for this Tripura vendor advance posting in the previous step. That is why this message is coming. 40,000 down payment on on this one, right? That is why it is showing, which is correct only. Okay, so write down this message 40,000 down payment on current account.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ పోస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ vendor అకౌంట్లో పోస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా,
Yeah,
in
because
which
we are
there is an
yes.
already advance only, on
Then
which we have
always
already
same.
deducted. So at the time of invoice, we will not deduct again.
uh, in the previous step, we have done the advance posting for same Tripura vendor. That is why this message is coming. Like 40,000 advance is existing for this vendor. Okay, which is correct only because in the previous step we have posted the advance. Okay,
Uh, 60,000 అవుతుంది.
Ah.
yeah. So now let me show you. No problem. That's what I will do. This one. Now see, we have come to this screen, right? So
Hmm.
40,000. This time we are posting invoice, and for 1 lakh invoice, 40,000 we have already 40,000
Deducted.
already 40,000 they have already we have paid to the vendor 40,000. Now this is the invoice
Hmm.
for 1 lakh we have not deducted till now. Okay, so
Correct.
and we have paid TDS on 40,000 in previous step. So in this step, should we pay TDS on 60,000 only we need to pay, right? In this step,
Yes.
समझी क्या समझ में नहीं आया?
नहीं
समझ
नहीं,
में आया,
got
समझ
it,
में.
got it.
We have to
40,000,
remove CI.
right? How much we paid?
What?
2%, 800. Okay. In this
Hmm.
step, we should not pay TDS. We have taken amount how much? 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Okay. So if we will, so system will calculate how much? 20%, means 2,000, right?
Hmm.
Which is not correct. So I will, in withholding tax, I will keep base amount as 60,000. So system will calculate on 60,000 only the withholding tax. System will calculate, which is right only, right? सही है?
Hmm.
हाँ,
Correct?
correct. But even though if we give 1 lakh, also system should pick the TDS on balance amount, right? ऐसा नहीं pick करता क्या?
No, I say no. System will because if I will not like you are telling automatically system will pick only
हाँ
on the
हाँ
balance amount.
हाँ.
No, system how system will pick. So to make the system will pick, but here we should assign 60,000 in withholding tax.
Hmm.
We should come to
हाँ.
withholding tax option, and here we should assign this this here on invoice
CI.
60,000. Then system will calculate TDS on 60,000. Otherwise, system will
Correct.
not understand.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is how this is SAP, and this SAP works like this way only. I'm understanding like you guys are getting doubt. You guys have doubt like that message had come. Okay,
हाँ.
that message had come, but that message did not show the details about the tax, right?
Correct.
That message only showing the 40,000 amount. So this is how the standard SAP is working, and SAP is telling come to this tab, okay, and here make it
Hmm.
60,000 balance
Hmm.
amount, like on which you want to calculate as base 40,000. If already you have given, then give here 60,000. Then this time system will calculate 1,200. Okay, automatically it will
And
not understand.
and the CP, we have to remove that.
No, no, keep it as it is. We want to use this one. We are not paying, right? We are just doing invoice. CI means invoice, CP means payment, right?
Hmm.
CI is for invoice company, like for invoice we want to use. This is for payment. We have kept both the things. Whichever we want to use, we
Cha.
can use. We don't want to use payment. We want to use CI. So we are using this one. Okay.
Okay.
So now document simulate document simulate Now see, this is correct only. Okay, but
Mm.
this 40,000 we need to reverse. 40,000 we need to adjust that amount, right? We have to explain that, but don't get confused. On 60,000, 1,200 is the TDS amount which is system is calculating correctly. Okay, so now post it. Okay, let me do one more scenario. Don't get confused. I will explain both the scenarios again in the Excel. Okay, so document simulate and save. Document simulate and save. Okay, and give next heading. Another scenario we will do. Go to F-48. Another scenario. Go to F-48. Okay, write down there. I'm coming on.
Yeah.
So now, sorry. So next scenario we will do another scenario. Same we will do. So okay. So write down. Go to F-48. This time we will do with common vendor. Go to F-48. Then you guys will understand the difference which I'm trying to do. Still, you guys will have doubt. I will clarify, no problem. Go to
Sure, sure.
F-48.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So same scenario we will do. Write down document date, posting date, today's date, vendor 21. Okay. Bank account. Here I'm giving 35,000. Okay, give these details. Vendor account, this time vendor account is Common Brothers. Special J indicator A. Bank account HDFC outgoing account. And amount, this time I'm giving 35,000. Give value date and give text also. Text, don't give text, not required. Okay, so give vendor bank outgoing account and amount 35,000. Okay, and then click enter. Click enter. Here give star. Give section code TS01. Star. Give section code TS01. Okay, business area LHYD. Due on today's date. Profit center 1000. Profit center 1000.
Okay.
Okay, and then enter. Now see, this one is 1%. It is showing. Okay, and you see this is payment, advance payment. Okay, it is that's why it's showing P, right? Other
Mm.
it is not I. Okay, and now uh, it is okay only. We need not to update anything here. Okay, we want on 35,000 only. It should be system should calculate TDS. Everything is fine. Enter, continue, continue. you can see here again payment block. Why it is payment block showing? You can see the payment block. What is the reason? Tell.
TAN number?
PAN number not updated. Yes, that is the reason only. So we need to update the PAN number in the Bowman vendor. So we will go to change. We will write down update the PAN number in the Bowman vendor also. Update the PAN number in the Bowman vendor also. Okay, same process. Reporting cost PAN reference number starting from this. I will come back and I will update. Okay, so I will come to this one. I will come to this screen. Again, document simulate. I will do simulate. Enter. Document simulate. Okay. 350 1%. Save. Document posted correctly. Okay. Now let's post the invoice. Give next step.
Advance
Document simulated post. 1% TDS is calculated. Now go to FD60. Post vendor invoice. Post vendor invoice through FD60. We will give Bowman vendor Bowman. Vendor Bowman. Here also invoice date, posting date, TDS reference, and here give 80,000, 80,000, action code, GL account. Okay, give GL account 4 lakh 3 this one, and here give this, and then give business in the line item, give GL account amount and same 80,000 or star, or give business area and profit center 1,000. Now you see this message is coming, right? Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
The-
Business area LHYD, profit center 1,000.
What the thing is correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
This message is coming 35,000. Okay. Click on continue. Okay. So last step, what we have done, we came to withholding tax. This time, let's suppose we want to keep his base amount as full. Means we will not do anything. Like we don't want, uh, like in last step, what we did, we deducted the 40,000.
Balance amount taken.
Yeah. So here we want to keep 80,000 full amount we want to keep. So we will do reverse. Okay, we keep 80,000 as it is. So now document simulate. Now see 800. Calculating now TDS on full amount 800, right? 1%. 1%, okay? Because in Bowman we have assigned 1% withholding tax type and withholding tax code we have assigned 1%. That is why it is showing 1%. Okay. So it is correct only. Document simulate and post. Document posted. Okay. So now let us do the, please write down next heading, transfer posting means advance adjustment with invoice. Transfer posting means advance adjustment with invoice. Advance adjustment with invoice. Transfer posting F-54. This scenario we have done in in our APE module also. Okay. So transfer posting F-54. I will come my P code F-54. So let us do first. Which one? First one. Let us do 1 lakh file. Okay. For Tripura. Please see screen for Tripura. 1200. Now see, 40,000 was the advance payment to the vendor. Okay, on which we calculated 800 what TDS. Then we posted the invoice. So we posted the invoice how much? 1 lakh, because invoice we cannot deduct. We want to show the invoice with invoice amount only, right?
Hmm.
देखिए, invoice amount, because that is the complete amount invoice amount we need to show. So so that is why we cannot, but we have option in the SAP to not to pay the TDS amount on full amount. So that is why we paid TDS amount on
Balance of.
balance amount. Okay, which is correct one. So now we are going to adjust this 40,000 in this 1 lakh, right? Because right now it is showing 1 lakh. So we will adjust this 40,000 in this one. Then 60,000 it will show 60,000 only. Means 60,000 will be paid. So I'm going to adjust this 40,000 with this 1 lakh.
With 1 lakh.
Okay, but we should this 40,000 will be reversed, and tax amount will not be reversed, because tax amount is already we have calculated $2,000, which is correct only. Uh, we have not exceeded the amount, right? You getting my point? 35,000, and here 80,000. We paid withholding tax 350, and here we paid
We
withholding
paid
tax
800.
800. Here 2%. Here in this scenario 1%. Okay. Now in this step only advance amount should be reversed without reversing the withholding tax amount.
TDS.
And in this second scenario, withholding tax, this advance amount should be reversed along with the 350 TDS amount.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You guys are understanding? So
Yes.
let us do this one, and then we will check these two check testing I'm going to do. Okay, first let us do this one. Okay. So you guys have written transfer posting address
Yes.
54, then document date, posting date. Okay, reference, reference, then vendor. This vendor is Tripura, right? Tripura is ending with 20. Okay, Tripura ending with 20. Now we need to see for which invoice. We should be confirmed about the invoice, right? So we will come to MBL1 and vendor report, and we will very check which is the invoice. Okay, so I am actually did not select that vendor. I selected common. So let me select Tripura. Okay, so this is Tripura, and this is the invoice number. You see, this mistake we can do. So we need to select this one. System is taking which invoice number 7. Okay, so I will give this one. I have updated the our Tripura vendor fiscal year. Okay, I have updated. Now click on process. Right down click on process down payment. This one. process down payments. Click on process down payments. Okay, and after coming here, double, you please see the screen. See, available amount in transfer posting, nothing is there, right? Just we need to double
Uh,
click here. Double click here. 40,000 has come. You can write down. Double click in this field transfer posting. Then 40,000 will automatically come. No need to manually write. Yeah. Okay. So double click here. 40,000 has come. Then document accumulate. Now please see.
There's only 41 transfers, no?
advance knockoff.
This 800 is coming. Okay. So it should not come. It should not come, and it is coming means we need to update the base amount. That is the only way. If we are skipping this updation of base amount, then system will calculate the TDS on this amount also. Okay, so it like already we have given 2000, right? So we should not reverse the TDS amount, right? So this will be wrong.
Ah,
When I'm doing this posting, this will be wrong.
okay, okay.
Okay, so means we have already posted, so means we should have updated the base amount. So this is the wrong. So we need to update the base amount. Otherwise, this is the wrong entry. Otherwise, we want total is 2000 only, right?
Hmm.
If I will reverse this 800, then total will be 1200, and which is not correct.
Correct.
So means, so we need to update the whenever we are posting the invoice, so that we need to update the that base amount. But we updated, right?
Base amount बोले तो complete 1 lakh. Yeah.
We updated base
होता
amount.
ना सर
Complete 1 lakh update करना है या 60,000 update करना है?
60,000. We need to update 60,000 only. We
हाँ,
updated
60,000 only we updated ना.
ऑलरेडी
but
सिस्टम
we want
अपडेटेड
to reverse this 40,000. We want to adjust this 40,000 right now. But system is reversing this 800 also. But we need total how much on 1 lakh? 2,000, right?
Hmm.
But if I will reverse this 800, then total will be
That is
1,200.
wrong.
So that is wrong only.
1200.
1,200 total should be 2,000. So this is the thing. So I know one configuration. So that configuration, but that is not advisable. I will change that configuration and I will do this for this one. So that is not advisable. But means we should like that. We should update. We should like this way. When I will do this one, so this posting will be correct only. Okay, so it's better not to update the base amount. If you are updating the base amount at a time of this one reversal adjustment, this also be adjusted. Now see, let us see the report first. Tripura. Okay, it is showing how much?
98,800.
It is showing 98,800.
Correct, correct. 1200 deduct हुआ ना TDS.
But why not 800 also, right? Should be there because I did not select this one.
Didn't selected special instruction.
Yeah. Now
हाँ TDS line item ये layout change करना पड़ेगा आपको.
no, but total not, total is also not correct, I think. Total should be 2000, right? It is showing
This total is invoice total, no, not the TDS total. Correct only 40,098.
40,000.
TDS का line item add करो आप
TDS का
layout
line,
में.
TDS line item, TDS का line item
Withholding
होता है ना?
withholding tax column.
Okay. TDS का होता है. Okay, let me see.
हाँ होता.
Okay. W correct, सही है. Okay. So
1200 800.
this is our correct only, right? 1200.
Hmm.
And this is okay. Okay, no, no, we are correct only. Let us see this one. This TDS. Okay. So it is correct only. We are right only. So it is correctly going to correct. Let us post this one. We are on the right way only. So now it is showing W withholding tax amount. I will take it left. Withholding. Okay. Okay. Now let's do the post. I will come back. No. I'm posting. Okay.
Okay.
Now let us update this one. Now it is correct only. Refresh. Now, are you guys understanding? Let me take the TDS amount. Left. Okay. 2000. Now see.
Correct.
Okay. And total it is showing
800 minus 12 2000.
yeah.
So that 800 is also getting reversed.
800 is also getting reversed. Yes. So here total will be paid to the vendor. How much? 59,600.
59,600, yes.
How?
After deducting TDS.
Why is this much? It was 1 lakh. In 1 lakh we deducted 40,000. It should be 60,000, right?
Uh,
60,000
60,000.
plus 2,000 this one. It should be 62,000.
हाँ 2000
minus
उनको डिडक्ट होता ना, इट विल नॉट गेट पेड, वो गवर्नमेंट को जाता ना. माइनस 2000 58,000 जाना है उनको, which means 1 lakh minus 2000 ఎంత 98,000 వెళ్ళాలి అంతే.
100,000.
You guys are understanding? It is correct? I don't think it is correct. If you guys are okay, then
I mean transaction scenarios वो तो correct ही दिख रहा, but the amounts are not matching. KA 39 2,200 59,600.
this one we posted and 800. So our withholding tax amount is now 2,000. 2,000.
एक्चुअली ये केजेड ये डाउन पेमेंट एंट्री में ना 40,000 माइनस 800 जो भी है, ये दोनों एक ही वैल्यूज नहीं आना.
It is no. See, it is 39,200. This one, see, above one,
करेक्ट.
39,200, and below one it was deducted 1,200, right? So 1,200 was deducted. So that is why it is showing 98,800.
800.
Okay, and including both, it is showing like this. Okay, but TDS amount is correct only 2,000. Now it is deducted, right? It is 2000, right? 1200 and
हाँ,
800.
वो तो करेक्ट है। ये कौन सा अमाउंट जा रहा उनको, कितना अमाउंट जा रहा?
ये थोड़ा सा ये yeah, this is little confusing. So देखिए this one is okay only, right? 1200 is deducted in this one, right? Okay.
यस यस।
Or in this one,
हम्म।
uh, this this is the KZ. This is the KZ, right? In KZ, it is including. Let's see this one. It is including 800. Okay. It is including 800. Okay, and this is having 800 included, and in this one we have paid only on the uh, balance amount of TDS, right?
करेक्ट।
So 2000 is here, it is showing minus minus, right? 2000, the tax amount is correct only. So my what I am thinking, uh, okay, let's see. 1 lakh was the 1 lakh is the invoice amount, right? Out of 1 lakh, 40,000 already paid. Okay, 40,000 paid. So balance amount is uh, how much we need to pay to vendor? 60,000, right?
हम्म।
Okay. So and we have deducted the TDS. How much? We have deducted TDS means this much we have already paid. 800 we have already paid, and this much 1200 we need to pay. You are getting my point? No confusion है ना?
हम्म।
देखिए 40,000 with 800. You guys also try with me, huh? 40,000 with
हाँ हाँ,
800.
फाइन।
800 we have paid to vendor. Okay. If I will see the journal entry, let's see this journal entry. Okay. So, okay. 800 is the TDS amount, and this is the we have paid to vendor only this much. 39,200 we have paid to vendor. Okay.
अरे वो चीज का निकलता नहीं है, वो जो मुझे।
See, 800
तब
paid as TDS, right? TDS. So actual invoice amount how much? 32, 38,
200।
no, 39, 200, no? 39, 200. This is actual invoice amount. Okay? सही है?
ओके ओके।
Okay? So now in the next step, invoice amount is, and this we have paid to vendor. This we have already paid to vendor. Now we posted the invoice with 1 lakh. Okay? And we deducted the TDS how much? In invoice level 1200. Okay? And now what is the total invoice amount payable invoice amount
1
98
lakh.
no, no, 98 800 right
Yeah.
98 800 okay
Hmm. Hmm.
in 98 800 I have done the payment of how much 39 200 39 200 right
200. Yes.
so it is correct only right see 600 9 59 600 सही है अभी
हाँ 1 लाख के ऊपर 1200 नहीं डाले ना हम लोग. अच्छा ओके.
invoice amount is this 40,000 was having 800 including VAT okay और ये 1 लाख के ऊपर हमने 1200 we calculated on 60,000 actually invoice amount तो इतना है okay so now we have already since we have already paid this one now balance we need to pay 59 600
Correct, correct.
ठीक है okay so now this scenario we have done okay which is system is correct only our calculation was not correct so let us do this one for this invoice now for second scenario for second 1% scenario invoice amount now what will be the invoice amount 35,000 minus 350 okay and this is not invoice amount I'm telling the advance amount okay advance payment to vendor 35,000 okay this 35,000 is having how much TDS 350 remaining will be how much 30 3400
So 650.
650 okay and now this is the and we posted the complete invoice amount with complete TDS so now we should reverse the 35,000 with 350 this time system should reverse 35,000 with 350 so please give next heading transfer posting f-54 transfer posting f-54 okay so
Transfer
give
post
give
management.
transfer
Already?
posting
Hmm?
confusion if you guys have you can ask me no problem okay
Yeah.
if you guys have confusion you can ask me no problem okay now give the same vendor give vendor Baman in vendor account give the vendor number Baman and in invoice amount 19 series 7 which I have taken from the report okay 421 this one click on process item okay double click on transfer posting click on process down payment click on process down payment then double click on transfer posting field in the transfer posting field double click inside now 35,000 is selected document simulate now see this is showing as text I have not given so I will give text come back now it is correct only and post it okay so now let's come to this report and refresh it correct only system has okay so you can calculate now system has reversed the 35,000 okay 35,000 in the 35,000 350 is the TDS amount so it is correct one okay so now we have done the advance posting with TDS invoice posting with TDS and transfer posting also we have done with TDS okay now please give next heading
TDS layout beta na?
please give next heading go to reports go to reports go to report P code is J1IN J1IN MIS J1IN J1IN MIS
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you can write down in bracket, it is old report. Bracket write down old report.
Old report.
Yeah. Okay. And after coming to this report, give company code LI01 fiscal year 2024. Give company code LI01 fiscal year 2024. Okay. And posting we have done posting in May, right? So I will take from 1st May to 31st May. Okay. Why I'm not taking April? Because I have not done posting in April. But April is my starting taxation period. Okay. I am done the posting,
Huh.
all three postings in May. That is why I'm giving here selection posting date May only. Okay. So give posting date from 01 1st May to 31st May. Range, give range, and then section code. Give business place section code. Left side only TS01 withholding tax key 194C. Okay. So which activity we have done? We have done day-to-day activity, right?
Huh.
What next? Month-end activity we are doing right now. Okay. So in the interview they will ask what is the month-end activity. We can tell this activity also as a month-end. What is month-end activity? What is year-end activity? They ask. Okay, so we can tell this is as a part of month-end activity also. Okay, TDS challan payment, bank challan number update. This is bank challan number. Okay, so now we are doing month-end activity. TDS see challan update status. Okay, so after giving this detail, execute. Don't miss anything, any parameters. Otherwise, okay, report will not come. So challan update status. Click on execute. Okay, now see 800 we posted, it is reversed. Total above posted 2000 for this vendor and below one 350. It was adjusted with 800. Now, okay, it is correct only. Okay,
Okay.
now come back.